emphasizing power in the power forward position. A strong inside operator with a smooth outside jumper. A four-time mythical team selection from San Miguel Beer, number 11, Nelson the Bull Aceitono.
6 points in 4 seconds. Oh, that's a big block. Oh, yeah. Aceitono. Oh, tomahawk down para ni Nelson Aceitono.
NBA ni Michael Jordan yan. Nelson Aceitono is playing possess na tapat. Yun yung Aceitono pag ginagana.
Nelson dahil lima na si Bong.
Basket is counted.
What a shot!
Nelson Aceitono.
Quickly comes down with a Bulls game winner.
Ito na si Nelson Aceitono. Tumira. Grabs the go-ahead basket. Trailing for 8 seconds. Tama, makita natin yung last shot, no? Oo, Nelson Aceitono. Sinusundan ni Alex Cruzano. Aceitono. The step back.
Mahirap na tira yun. Woo! That's tough. He's a shot maker, partner.
Oo.
Si Nelson.
Nelson Aceitono. Nelson Aceitono! Oh, that will count with a foul! I don't believe this guy!
Ugane, hesitating, gets it inside. Oh, Aceitono, he'll get the basket and one. For the Bulls. Look at Aceitono just
Bullying his way through.
hanging in there.
5 of the championship for the All-Filipino Cup. Aceitono! Oh, what a shot! And look at him go. Nelson Aceitono.
Vincent Pitt overtime. Aceitono 3-point shot. Triple V. Number 1.
I could be another option on offense for him.
And look at this rebounding. Nelson Aceitono finally using his muscle underneath and getting his first basket.
That's a good sign for San Miguel here. Crashing the offensive boards, getting more than just one attempt at the basket. That should just help Nelson tremendously right there. All the previous misses right now should be erased.
If there's anything about Nelson Aceitono, he has raised appearance in the last 12 conferences. Aceitono powers his move inside.
Seconds on the shot clock. Nelson. Oh, the fall away by Nelson Aceitono. He is wild tonight.
Nagawa na ni The Bull ang lahat para sa kupunan niya. Kasama dito ang finals record of 81 points in 2 games.
Tokyo, here's Nelson Aceitono. Aceitono, pinihit.
Oh, yes!
By the Bull.
Nelson Aceitono.
Ito naman na.
Partner, nagiging masyadong predictable na, no? Galaw ng San Miguel.
Aceitono gets away and gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Na maaga pa.
Tira niya, Marlo Aquino, talagang well klase yun, ha?
Sa depensa ni Marlo, wala.
Bago sa third quarter, Aceitono, hinigaan ni Marlo Aquino.
Lakas lang ginagamit ni Nelson Aceitono.
Building. Aceitono!
Kasi Aceitono, partner, has been burning.
Ito na naman, no?
Nelson Aceitono.
Jogging lang, okay pa rin eh. Call a timeout to map out his strategy with his end game. Good steal by Nelson Aceitono.
That's a clean swipe by the Bull. Torreon will walk it down. Aceitono, catch and shoot. And the 2 points for the Bull.
Aceitono against Aquino. The series is in favor of San Miguel. 1-0 and
Aceitono now. 9 seconds. He goes running shot. Yes! What a move!
Clark Rosella is open. Ayaw. Nelson Aceitono.
Saan ang galing niya si Nelson Aceitono?
Oo, bigla na lamang sa bulpo.
In the meantime, Aceitono hit 2 40-point explosions. 133, balik sa 18. Aceitono sinusob ang depensa. He finally gets his own miss in the putback at minute in 96. San Miguel in 94. Jump shot ni Nelson Aceitono. And that lead is now to 4.
Kanina si Mosre, mintis ang tira. Aceitono with an offensive rebound. Putback. Pakapasok yan. And so ang ating talang kasatid sa kanilang shot clock. Dumiksik sa loob. Pumasok pa naman ang layup. 5 fouls na si Noli Locsin. And that's why the defense...
Abante si Nelson Aceitono. You're looking for a dunk here. No, just a layup. And Aceitono looking at Kenneth Dorendes.
Makuha yung bola.
here's the give and go for Nelson the Bull Aceitono.
And the combination of Aceitono and Strong. Yung tira ni Rosella, wala. Ward, wala pa rin. And that'll do it.
And it will go into overtime. And Gordon Ginn not fouling, which is a good thing to do because both teams in the penalty. And now the crowd so much into it. 5-minute extension, mga kaibigan.
This knockout game is not yet over.
Our best player for the 1998 PBA McDonald's All-Filipino Cup of the semi-final season is Nelson.
At ang pinakabagong manlalaro na naka-score ng 10,000 points sa kanyang PBA career.
He is the 11th player to reach the 10,000 point plateau. At sasamahan po niya dyan ang listahan po ng mga elite.
Dito mo ba rin? Baldabit. Umahabot. Pero narito si Nelson Asaitono on the trail. Wala na bang help defense? Kanya uncoordinated ang defense ng RSJ.